In this video, I'm going to walk you through the staff setup sheet, which is part of my full UK payroll system built in Excel for the 2026 and 2027 tax year. This full template is available for purchase below. You will find the staff setup sheet, the monthly calculations for payroll, pay slips, you'll find the dashboard as well as general lists in the last sheet. Now, before we start calculating anything, we need to have a clean structure to store our employee information. This is important because in real payroll systems, everything flows from employee data. So I've created a sheet and called it staff setup. We have the following columns. The employee ID column. This is a unique reference for each employee. It helps us link data across sheets without confusion. Employee name. This is simply the employee's full name and used for identification and reporting. But just a quick note, these employee names are made up and used only for this example. Annual salary. This is the employee's gross yearly salary before any deductions. So we'll use this to calculate monthly pay. Tax code. This determines how much income tax is deducted. For example, 1257L gives the standard personal allowance. The NI category, this defines how national insurance is calculated. Most employees fall under category A. Pension percentage. This is the percentage of salary the employee contributes to their pension each month. Student loan plan, one of the deductions we'll use in this example, tells us if the employee has student loan deductions and which plan applies. So such as plan A or plan B, I've created a drop down for these two options as well for you. In this example, we will work with 5 employees, namely John, Sarah, David, Aisha, and Michael. The reason we do this is so we don't have to manually retype information every month. Instead, we'll link this data we have here in the sheet into our payroll calculations sheet, which makes the system scalable and much more accurate. One tip I want to give you. I will also recommend turning this into a table in Excel, so it expands automatically as you add more employees.